Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. Now, this video is on self-fulfilling prophecy and what that means. To get a grasp on this, you need to look at synchronicity of the three dantians. So an unsynchronized person, the lower dantian is in a job, middle dantian, they don't like the job, upper dantian is thinking about the next holiday. They're desynchronized in how they think, feel and act. Successful person, they're very passionate about what they're doing, their mind is fully concentrated on it and they're acting upon their passion. That's success. Now, for a self-fulfilling prophecy to fulfill itself, we take a mental idea, we envision that idea, whatever the level of complexity is, we're passionate about that idea, we're emotionally invested in it, and we're acting on that idea correctly with synchronicity to the passion, the idea, the plan, whatever it is for that manifestation to take place. So there's a very high degree of synchronicity between the three dantians for that prophecy to fulfill itself. Now, sometimes self-fulfilling prophecies are ideas that we like and we unconsciously act upon them and they just manifest, and other times they're very, very premeditated, focused processes. So in the Qigong process we work on, we look at what is the physical mechanics, what is the personality, and how do we regulate the timing and the space of that. So the upper dantian has its role, the middle dantian there's personality, and how does the lower dantian body mechanics support that personality. So we bring these three ideas together and we synchronize them to fulfill the prophecy. We do this between every repetition. So you touch your partner's base, you relax and roll the joints of the body, roll the body underneath, create a ground path, relax through the feeling of vitality into the astral feeling of qi, and as they give you a force, you transform that force and create a kinetic load to bounce them. Your mind regulates that whole process, regulates the timing, regulates the space in the bounce. Then you review what you just did at the end of the bounce, review your self-fulfilling prophecy, review any differences between what you did and what you want, release on what you want, astrally breathe into it, invite your partner in, and you repeat the process to fulfill the prophecy. So you go through the self-fulfilling prophecy over and over until it manifests as your reality and you master the particular skill you're working on. Okay, I hope this helps with understanding self-fulfilling prophecies and synchronizing three dantians and how to manifest the reality you want. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.